सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए। Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answer. These are all questions are connected with 4th standard students and it will help their growing knowledge. First question: which organ purifies our blood? This is the first question. And the right answer is kidney. Which organ? Kidney organ purifies our blood. Next question. The animal with a hump on its back is? Right option is, right answer is camel. Which animal? Camel. Next question. The brain of computer is? CPU. What's the answer? CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Next question. The largest continent is? Which is the largest continent? Asia. This is the right answer. Who wrote Ramayana? Valmiki. Valmiki wrote Ramayana. How many bones are there in newborn baby? 300 bones are there in a newborn baby. Next question. Martyrs' Day is celebrated every year on 30th January. Next question. The fastest animal on earth is? Which is the fastest animal in the earth? Cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal on the earth. Next question. Earth Day celebrated on April 22. This is the answer. So students, this lecture we have watched some quiz and their answers. This is the most useful video for everyone because it will help to grow their knowledge and improve their ability to face for all types of examinations. And I wish you will follow this lecture and get some knowledge to improve their ability. So I am Prashant Jadhav, completing my short lecture in here. Namaskar.